Good morning students. Now we'll discuss how to make a model tank, battle tank. See, for this Independence Day, we'll learn this one and I will use as a project. Okay, you see it is a circular. The wheel, this 2 centimeter wheel, and the body, this one 10 centimeter and this one 7 centimeter. So in this way we'll make. So for this, first you have to take a chart paper, 1/4 of chart paper, scale, pencil, eraser and compass. And see, we know that battle tank have different shapes, so this is also one of the shapes, so I have taken this one. So first we draw a straight line taking 10 centimeter away from the bottom, around 10 centimeter this one, and from here 7 centimeter. So I am taking this one like this. This is our x-axis and y-axis, and this one our line. Okay, so this is our line. Now we'll make this one the body. Okay, this is the bottom body, this is top body. So for top body I have taken the length equal to 10 centimeter. So here, from here, this one 10 centimeter, and width equal to 7 centimeter. I'll draw a rectangle. So this one the top base body. Okay, now we'll make the wheels. So as you know, these are 4 wheels, circular wheels. So this is 2 centimeter radius. So and I will keep 1 centimeter border. So for this, so to diameter is 4 centimeter and a border both sides. So 1. So this is 1 centimeter, then 2 centimeter, then 2, 1. So total is 6 centimeter this side, and total here 1, 2, 2 and 1, and this side also the same thing. So 1, 2, then 2, 1, 6 centimeter, and here this side also 1, 2, 2, then 1, the 6 centimeter this side. So after that we'll draw the wheel taking 2 centimeter. This one the our is 2 centimeter radius. So you can draw like this, and you can complete like this. Now see the 2 centimeter. So leaving 1 centimeter, we'll give the border here. So this is the center. So 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. So here 1 wheel, second wheel, so third wheel, this on the fourth wheel. Now the border to pasting. So 1 centimeter more will take. So 3 centimeter, that means radius is 3 centimeter. Okay, so this one 2, 2, and this one 1, 1, 2, 2. Now this one 1, this is 1. So here also 2, 2 we taken. This is 1, this is 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay, and this one is 7 centimeter. Okay, so now 1 centimeter taking the border, that is 3 centimeter. So here we are making half border here, here also, and this side also, and here also, half border. Now, so now see, we'll join the lines. This is 1 centimeter, this one. Now on this side we have to join, this one also have to join. So this one also, and here. Now a straight line from here to here. Now see, as you see here, this one, the wheels, half portion, here half, here half, here half. So as the formula, 2 pi r is here 2 centimeter, so 2 pi r, so 2 into 3.14 into 2 centimeter equal to 12.56 centimeter. So this is a semicircle, so by 2 it will come 6.3, so approximately 6.3 centimeter. So we have to take here 6.3, this one 6.3, this one also 6.3, and this one 7. So now this one cover this one, and this one here. Okay, now see, this two portion will cover the wheel. Now this is the border. Now here is one border, here one border, here one border. So this 6.3 for this wheel. Now here also border, you have to cut like this, and this one the border. This is one, and here also same thing, we will repeat here. So this border over. Now see, these two part will cover the wheels, semicircle wheel, and now the lower part, that means this area, this is the front part. So this is 7, okay, the 7 plus 1, 8. So from here we take 7 centimeter. So now see, this one 7 centimeter, we take this one, and here the border, okay, this will fit to the lower part. Now I will cut the figure. So after cutting the net diagram, we'll find this. Now I'll fold the border and sides. Now see, it will fold like this. It will fold like this here. Now it will here, from here, and this side also. Here we can draw a line. So it will draw this one. It will go like this. Okay. Now it will fold here, from here, and so it will come to this side like this. Now it will move. Now tank body, so I will fold like this. So it will move like this. Now this one will join border. See, so it will come to the like this, it will fold. So this wheel will attach like this. This is one side, this is another side. Okay, this one also, it will come like this, it will attach like this. So it will look, it will come like this. Okay, first. So our lower part of the battle tank is over. Now we'll draw the net diagram of for this one upper part. It is a square frustum. So that is rectangular frustum. So this one is 4 centimeter. Lower base is 4 centimeter and upper one is 2 centimeter. So as this one lower one is 4 centimeter, so we have to take the 8 centimeter as a radius, double the side. So this is 4 centimeter. 4 means 8 centimeter. And this one upper one is 2 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter. So O A, this is 4 and this one also 4. So taking 8 centimeter as radius, I have to draw a semicircle and another is 4 centimeter, that inner one. So this one 4 centimeter. Now taking 4 centimeter side, the same side 4 centimeter there. From point A we have to cut the side 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now join this one is B, C, D, A. Okay. Now we'll join OB. Now OC, OD and OA. Now join AD, CD, BC and AB. Now this point, this one A, that is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. This one 4, 4, 4, 4, and this one is 2, 2, 2 and 2. Now you will join this one D dash, the D dash, then this one A dash. So this 2 centimeter here will join. This is 2 and here also 2, not 2, and this one also 2 centimeter. Okay, now draw the border. Okay, one border here, here one border, here one border. Now from this side also, now here upside one border. Now we'll draw a square. So before that we'll leave this one. Border let us complete here a little. So this is here 90 degree. We will take 90 degree. So to make square, that is 4 centimeter. This one also 4 centimeter will come for this side also. It is there. So we'll join like this. Some 4 centimeter, and here also this is 4 centimeter, and it will connect this one. So this is 90 degree, and similarly this side also, and it keeping like this here. So now joining here. So this one is over. Okay, so now we'll cut this piece, this one, cut this figure. The upper portion net diagram is over. So this one, I'll fold the sides. Now so this one is over. So this one our tank, and then the shape will fix here. Okay, next is this is cannon. For cannon I have taken a small piece of paper, and now what I will do, I will roll this one like this. I will make a cylinder, just roll one like this. A Fevicol, I will put the Fevicol. Now this one cannon is ready. This one fixed. The smaller one. You have to cut like this, making this one. Now we'll do like this. So this is the cannon. Have to fix here. So our tank is ready. Here you can, so this way you can use for your science project, and any other project also. Thank you.